Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hot. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening something a bit different. A box of the Rise trading card game, the Alpha set standard edition display. So there will be a lot of packs in here, which is why I'm probably going to skip over the common cards this time. And we'll just look at the special cards. And this game is a bit different in that it is a bit overproduced, as you will see. So for once we have a box topper, which is the summoner Lazarus. And as you can see, yep. Also it's plastic cards actually, which I will show you once we get into the packs. Which is something else. They're very pretty cards. There might be some cards I have to censor. Most definitely have to censor. So let's see. As it's a very nice surface. I don't know if I can get it. Yeah. You can see that. So yeah, I will just skip pretty much over the not regular cards and let's just enjoy the fancy foil cards. So we have a key, we have an orb of pain. It's really nice, and a maximum level. So rarity you can see at the bottom here. The more stuff that's on there is pretty much the higher the rarity. I will probably also do this without prices. I think TCG Player has the prices for the cards on their side. But yeah, not really looking to sell these. So we have a Hammer of Destruction, the Pit, and a Pristine Level Up. This one is cool. Nice art. And I also have a playmat of this. So I'm using this basically as a filler until I get more product for other card games. So I have in total 3 boxes of this. And we have a Repair Hammer, an Ash Clover, and Salt. Also, the chase cards that you want to have are serialized cards, similar like to how Magic does it, with a number like 001 of 500. So let's see if we can get that. So we have a Money Battle, a Deny, and a Prophecy of Injustice. So on to the next pack we go. Looking at the battery, I hope that it lasts for the whole video, otherwise I might have to make a cut. Let's see, a Precognition. We have a Aureola and a Resurrection Prophecy. Next pack. It's a 36 pack display. So there's quite a bit to be opened. Let's hope the camera doesn't die on me. We have a Wanted, a Unswerving, which has a really nice foil effect, and an Antimatter. On to the next pack. Also they have like a little side indent that you're supposed to use, but I don't like it. It's hard to open nonetheless. So we have a Lucky Clover, a Rising, and a Divine Hunt. Next pack. I might also, looking at the camera battery, probably only open the first 12 packs. Sorry for that. Just to make sure that I actually do have a video that I can upload for you guys. So we have a Paralysis here. We have the Reaper and a Last Hope. On to the next pack we go. Where we have a Cold, a Flesh Ring, and a Devastation. So let's do it as I suggested. 3 packs left of the first 12 for this display. Let's see, maybe there will be an irregular upload for the remaining 24 packs. We have a Frozen. This one also looks really cool. We have a Oxo the Cat Owner. And a Pepper to go along with our Salt. So second to last pack. And it's all plastic cards, which is way overproduced. We have an Eye of Destiny, a Irresistible Accumulation, and a Destiny. And on to the last pack we go. If it opens. It does. So let's see what we get out of this one. We have a Skull of Limbo. We have a rank 3 Spellcaster. Really nice texture here as well. And we have a Master Chef. Okay, so because the danger of the camera shutting down is quite high, I will keep it short. Thanks for watching this one. I will see how I deliver the other 24 packs to you. So until then, if you liked what you saw so far, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I will be seeing you at the next one.